Ready to grab that new TV or upgrade your kitchen appliances without breaking the bank all at once? Let's dive into how you can use Affirm for in-store purchases at Walmart, making those buys way more manageable. First, if you haven't already, download the Affirm app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and go through the sign-up process. You'll need to provide some personal information, so have that ready. After signing up, you can see how much you're approved to spend. Keep in mind approval is based on your credit, so your offers may vary. Next, within the Affirm app, look for the option to create a virtual card specifically for your Walmart purchase. This virtual card will have a temporary card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Treat it like you would any other credit card. When you're at the checkout in Walmart, tell the cashier you want to pay with a credit card. Then use the virtual card details from the Affirm app, that card number, expiration date, and CVV to complete your purchase on the card reader. And that's it. You've successfully used Affirm to pay for your Walmart in-store purchase, unlocking a more flexible way to pay. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-saving tips.